Dear students, now let us solve fifth question of exercise 2.2 from triangles lesson. Fifth question is, in figure, DE parallel to OQ and DF parallel to OR. DF parallel to OR. Show that EF parallel to QR. Now first write what is given. What is given here? DE parallel to OQ and DF parallel to OR is given. What you have to prove? To prove EF parallel to QR. Now write the proof. Start from what is given. DE parallel to OQ is given. Start from there. DE parallel to OQ. Now look at the figure. DE is parallel to OQ. That is in triangle PQO. In triangle PQO, DE is parallel to OQ. Now you have to concentrate on the triangle PQO and you have to write the ratio of the sides. DE is parallel to QO, therefore DE divides sides PQ and PO in the same ratio. That is PE by EQ is equal to PD divided by DO. DE parallel to OQ is given, therefore PE by EQ is equal to PD by DO. That is because of Thales theorem. If DE is parallel to QO, then we can write PE by EQ is equal to PD by DO. Next, what is given? DF is parallel to OR. DF parallel to OR is given. Now see here, look at the figure. DF is parallel to OR. Put the arrow mark to represent parallel lines. Now you have to write the ratio of the sides in triangle POR. You have to concentrate on the triangle POR. DF divides the sides PO and PR in the same ratio. So PD by DO is equal to PF by FR. PD by DO is equal to PF by FR. Reason is Thales theorem. take it as equation 1 and 2. Now from 1 and 2, from 1, P by EQ is equal to PD by DO. Second one, PD by DO is equal to PF by FR. PE by EQ and PF by FR both are equal to PD by DO. Therefore, we can write PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Now look at the figure. We got PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Means the sides PQ and PR are divided in the same ratio. Sides PQ and PR are divided in the same ratio by the line EF. EF divides PQ and PR in the same ratio. P by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Sides are divided in the same ratio, therefore line EF is parallel to QR, because PQ and PR are the sides of triangle PQR. So if you concentrate on the triangle PQR, then you will get EF is parallel to QR, because PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Therefore, EF parallel to QR. That is because of converse of Thales theorem. If the line divides sides of the triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. EF divides PQ and PR in the same ratio, so EF is parallel to QR. Hence proved. If the sides are divided in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side.